Okay, now we're going to look at how irregular verbs work in this tense. Now, as you know with other tenses, things are not always regular. So we need to look at the irregular verbs as well, because quite often they are the verbs you use the most. They are the high frequency verbs. Things like to go, to have, to be. Now, I've put up here for you, and it is also on your sheet in a special table, so that you can go back to that and look at it whenever you need it. So, instead of using aller and adding the endings to that, you have got a special stem, and the stem for aller is ir, I-R, and you add your endings to that. And as you can see in your table, I've given you the endings, but we're going to look at them together here so you understand how it works. So you're going to have your subject pronoun, again we're sticking to je, I. You are going to use your special stem, ir, and then you are going to add your ai ending, which you know about already, j'irai, and that will mean I will go. Okay? Let's have a look at the next one, avoir. Avoir, as you know, means to have, and again you do not add your endings to this. You wouldn't say j'avoirai. You have got a special stem, which is or, A-U-R, and you do the same thing, subject pronoun, lose the E obviously, put your stem, or, and you add your ai ending, and that will mean I will have. Okay? Another key verb, être. You all know être, to be, and if you don't, you need to make sure you do. So, être has got its own special form, so that's going to be ser, S-E-R. Again, add your ending. Je serai means I will be. Okay? Faire is the next really key verb. These four are the really big four that you need to know in lots of different tenses. The stem for this is faire, so it will be je ferai, which means I will do. Now these last three verbs are known as modal verbs, and they give you that sense of having to do something, wanting, some sort of wish or want or obligation. And the first one, you know je peux of this verb, pouvoir. Pouvoir is the infinitive, means to be able to, can, and you know je peux, I can. Now the special stem for that is pour, so if you want to say I will be able to, you don't say I will can in English, do you? You only say I will be able to. It would be je pourrai, and that means I will be able to. Okay? Devoir, again, you know this part of this verb, je dois, I have to. Devoir is the infinitive, and you probably know that because it means homework as well as a noun, things you have to do. Okay, so again the stem is devre, so you're going to say je devrai with your ai ending on, and that means I will have to. Again, a bit like with can, you can't say I will must. We don't say that in English, we say I will have to, and that's something you need to know. Finally, vouloir. You know the verb je voudrais, which is a different tense, it's conditional, but this one will mean I will want to. It's got the same stem. It hasn't got that S on the end. Je voudrais means I will want, not I would like, but I will want. Okay, so that might be useful. Okay, so there we have it. That's how you form your verbs with the irregular stems, the irregular verbs with their stems. Okay?